I'm finna make a big ass sandwich. Oh, y'all. I had to come on here and show y'all this bad boy. This finna be a Cowboy triple dipper club sandwich with chicken. Hold on. Cowboy chicken dipper. Oh, fuck. Cowboy dipper. Okay, Cowboy chicken double dipper club sandwich. Got that sourdough triple dipper. I need 3 of them hoes. Oh, and I got some chicken marinated. About to blacken that up. Let's go. Cast iron, olive oil. Yeah, the only reason they little tidbits like this is because I cut all that shit off of there. I don't want none of that shit on there. Chicken, get your chicken here. Y'all remember that shit? If you remember where that's from, drop it in the comments. We friends forever. For real. They should have never taught me that moonwalk, y'all. A bitch beat. Put on some Michael. Alexa, play Michael Jackson. She ain't play. Let's see what they looking like. Oh, I know. I know that ain't black enough for me. Triple dipper chicken. Triple dipper. Sliver. I got the chicken triple dipper on the mother. I got the chicken triple dipper and I'm about to flip them. And Cowboy mayonnaise, bitch. Alright. But you can't have no Cowboy chicken triple dipper without no Cowboy mayonnaise. Let's get it. I got some mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and I got some chili powder and smoked paprika. That's what we doing. Mayonnaise going in, Dijon mustard going in, some honey going in. Oh, god damn, bitch. Chili powder and smoked paprika. Give her a little mix. It's looking like this right here. Let's see what they do. They're good. If you're on a diet or anything like that, scroll on up, okay? Because this ain't got nothing to do with that. Not a damn thing. I'm sorry. My metabolism doing this thing, and I'm gonna rock with it. Do you even know what we gonna do? I'm actually excited about this. We're gonna put this Cowboy butter. What is that? We're gonna put this Cowboy mayonnaise on this bread and grill it. I ain't never did that. So we doing this for the first time together, y'all. Let's see what it do. God damn. Yes, just like butter. Move that butter around a little bit. Then you just, wow. Ooh, I ain't gonna do that shit no more. Put them in there, y'all. All that bullshit, just put them in there. When I be like #foodie, I be serious, y'all. Looking like this. It ain't really what I thought, but it'll do. I got the chicken, y'all. I'm going with some pepper jack and some cheddar. It's right on top of there like that. Low broil. Ooh, this finna be the chicken. We're gonna start with that bottom bread. Put that on there. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, there. Like that. Got that. I eat that bitch like that. Yeah, that's it for that layer. So that go down. I burnt that a little bit. Do like Life. Y'all ever seen Life? We got the scraping that motherfucker. You eat your cornbread. And I don't care that much. Boom. Coming through. Right on top of that chicken. Just like that right there. Get some over the top bread. I want it on every bread, okay? Damn, I ain't got no purple onions. It's alright. Some tomatoes. Salt and pepper on them tomatoes. Put all that shit on there. Pickle on that bit. I got some iceberg lettuce. And I got that spinach. I'm putting some more chicken on there, y'all. But no more cheese. There's already a lot of cheese on there. I'm doing with the bacon. If you don't eat bacon, don't put that motherfucker on there, okay? Wow, the last bread. Oh no, you know what I forgot? Avocado. Come on, cause we ready to eat. I keep finding stuff to put on this motherfucker. Smash that bad boy up and here it is. Yeah. That on there. Guillotine. Ooh, the fuck? Huh? What's that? I'm the truth, yeah. Oh, wait. Baby, better get in that kitchen. Look at that bad boy. No toothpicks, but a bitch got some chopsticks. I'm finna stick them hoes right in there. Oh, look at them sticks. Cowboy triple dipper chicken club sandwich, baby. Oh, that's what we motherfucking got. Let's see what this motherfucker do. Oh, y'all know one thing. Hold on. Wow. Bet you can't have no sandwich without this. I'm tripping. Let me get this. Hold on. Let me get the bad boy. Oh, bitch. See what it do. Look, say it's good without saying it's good, okay? Oh, God damn. Man, that's the best goddamn. Whoa. What? Huh? I'm gonna go tear this up, but look, like, share, subscribe, turn them notifications on, okay? Y'all know the vibe. She in the kitchen, and she whipping.